This Torah class is brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.
More very important halacha, because we said under the circumstances you could daven Mariv after the Plaga Mincha. The only thing is, that's very important to keep in mind, is that you still need to say Kriya Shema after Tzeis Hakochavim. So tonight, Kriya Shema at Tzeis Hakochavim is approximately 12:30, which means you're going to go to sleep, you're going to get back to the hotel very nice and early, you're going to have a good night's sleep. The only thing is you're going to set your alarm for between Tzeis Hakochavim and Chatzois. Chatzois is about 2 a.m. So you're going to wake up in the middle of the night. You say, I don't understand. I came on vacation and they're mutching me. I have to get up at 12:30 a.m. to say Kriya Shema. This is the most important moment of your life. The Gemara says in Shabbos, Lo yicharva Yerushalayim elam emnei shebitul Kriya Shema shel shachris v'arvis, which means that saying Shema is a skula for binyan Beis Hamikdash. So let's explain that. Why is saying Kriya Shema skula for binyan Beis Hamikdash? You know, the Chidah brings down that if somebody misses Zman Kriya Shema, they're in Cherem min hashamayim the whole day. Why? So Chidah explains there are 248 words in Shema. Ramach. If you don't say the Ramach, they flip it around Cherem. I think we can explain as follows. How many kinnis are there on Tisha B'Av? Total kinnis. How many kinnis? 45. The Gematria Adam. Which means, yes, the Beis Hamikdash was destroyed, but the Ikar Mikdash is the person. It means the Beis Hamikdash is destroyed, the Adam themselves is in a state of, the Adam is Nechrav. Mamela, how is a person Boina himself? You say the Kriya Shema, you're Boina the Ramachi Varim, you're Boina the Adam, Mamela, the Beis Hamikdash comes, the Ikar Mikdash is the Adam. So tonight, you're very tired, but you're gonna set an alarm, Mamish B'Simcha Atzuma, that at 12:30 a.m., you're gonna jump up, you're gonna wash your hands, you're gonna say the Kriya Shema, you're gonna be Mashlim Ramachi Varim, you're gonna build the Beis HaMikdash. You say, but then we're gonna lose out the next few days of being in Alaska. You never lose out by doing the right thing. Even though Mashiach will come, you won't lose out on your vacation days. We'll make it, or Avi will arrange, but even though Mashiach will come, somehow you'll get in the beers. Then when Mashiach comes, maybe Taka there will be moose. But until then, you know, there are no promises. Okay.
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.